Okay, put your hand right there.
Okay, we are going to give this a go. Don't hurt me. Ow! Like looking into my eyes with the light on your forehead. Ow! Sorry, I'm just practicing.
You're just practicing? Yeah.
Is this going to take long?
Well, just pray I don't slip and cut your finger off.
Right? I didn't need that one anyway. This one's the important one. It's the one I poked you. Oh, shit.
See?
Okay, quicker.
I'm trying to move as quick as I can here.
Are we going to paint them afterwards?
I'm not. You can.
I can't, that's my bad arm.
Okay, so that looks like it's going to match. Throw that in the trash. Take a bit of the super glue.
It looks like it kind of overlaps the skin.
Well, I can trim it a bit
And
more.
I think we need to try not to get any super glue on the skin.
Yeah, well, that's the whole point, is trying not to, because I know you're sensitive to adhesives, so.
And I feel in good hands with someone who flies ties.
Ties flies.
That's what I said. Don't laugh at me. I'm delicate. Aw, jeez. Don't know why I've got my other hand there.
Wrong finger. No.
So we're going to post this on YouTube in case it helps anybody else, unless I come out of this missing a finger, then we'll probably just forgo it. And the link to where we got this information is going to be in the description. I forget her last name. I think it was Bertelsen, Karen Bertelsen. Bertelsen. But read the article, even if you're not going to try this procedure. She's hilarious. Used to be a TV host here in Canada. But for reasons she's outlined in that article, she's gone off to blog and write fantastic articles like this. And she'll explain why. Following her on Instagram and probably anywhere else I can get her at this point. But so far this is looking pretty doable. You know, when Oz first said, well, let's crazy glue, I'm like, oh God, you and your suggestions, right? So, well, you know, at least we're not YouTubing the time that he came across this do-it-yourself skin tab removal. Rich would required a bit of anesthesia, which I think was a couple of glasses of wine.
Yes, it was.
And then he froze the area and cut it off. Yeah. And then cauterized it. Good Lord. I'm cringing even thinking about it. But it worked. It's gone. You don't even see a mark. That actually looks pretty cool.
Now we just
Can't
let
even
this
see it. A
dry.
tea bag of all. What flavor did you use?
Regular old Tetley.
Okay. Don't you think like a ginger cinnamon or something? Would it
Well,
be?
like you'd want the flavor.
Okay, how long does it take to dry?
Well, super glue usually dries fairly quick. The whole portion of this is the next stage is you're going to have to file this, because I am not messing around with the filing of that.
Okay. Well, I imagine it's going to take longer than painting your nails, or does it?
It's almost dry.
That's it. Get super glue on your fingers and then go make me dinner.
Okay. Glue my fingers closed.
At least I got it on my left hand. Wonder how I did it though. Okay. Well,
It's almost dry. I'm going to put a second coat on like they suggested in the
hold
article.
on. Oh, it says second coat?
Yes.
Okay. This is like a brilliant idea.
Do it underneath the camera so that you can see.
Well, it is underneath the camera. Ow.
Such a kidder.
Probably have to add some music to this so that you can't hear all the fans going.
Now the original crack in the nail was right approximately there. So far enough back that it would, if it caught, it would rip the front of your nail off, and that would really hurt.
That looks pretty cool. What an awesome find, babe.
Okay.
Ooh, maybe you could start charging for this, you know, on top of everything.
$5
Hey,
piece.
didn't you already do a pedicure today?
Don't remind me, please. Okay.
Well,
Done.
that's it for now.
Yep.
Apart from that, it's just like watching paint dry, I imagine.
Yep.
So we'll see how this goes later, and I'll post something. Thank you,
Yep.
Ozzy.
Yep. You're welcome.
You're not going to expect to be paid for this, are you?
Very possible.
Ooh.